There are four seasons in the year: spring, summer, autumn, and winter. You all know the basic three seasons, that is, summer, rainy, and winter season. Now we shall see the different types of seasons. You will get an image. Which season is this? Yes, summer season. In summer season, you have holidays. You visit your native places. You go on outings. You enjoy these days. Then comes the other one. Can you see the picture and tell me what do you see in the next picture? Yes, this is winter season. In winter season, we wear sweaters, socks, caps, shawls so that we can protect ourselves from the rain. Winter season is also liked by many of them. Then comes the last season, which you know. Yes, this is the rainy season. Many children like this season. Many adults also enjoy this season. In the rainy season, you purposely take an umbrella instead of using the raincoat. So, we have a poem based on the same thing. Let us see what it is about. The poem from our English textbook. First poem is Rain in the Night, written by Amelia Josephine Burr. The poem is telling us about the rainy season. Raining all night long. It means the whole night it has been raining, and the poet is observing the rain, sometimes loud. How is the rain? Sometimes it is so loud that the poet is getting scared about it, and sometimes it is very soft. Sometimes the rain is loud, sometimes it is very soft. Soft means it is just drizzling, and you enjoy this season. There is no fear for the rain, there is no thundering. That's why sometimes loud, sometimes soft. Just like a song. The sound of the rain which you hear is just like a song. Somebody singing a wonderful melodious song for you, and the poet is enjoying it. Then we see in the poem it is there will be rivers in the gutters. The gutters are over flooded due to the rain water. You cannot see gutters anywhere, but you will think that the rivers are flowing on the road. That's why there will be gutters in the form of rivers. And lakes along the street means there are potholes everywhere, but they are filled with total rain water and it looks like lakes. It will make a lazy kitty. Kitty is a baby of a cat. It is called as kitten, and it is very lazy. If you have a pet kitten, you can see that it is always sleeping the whole day. That's why poet says lazy kitty. It will make our lazy kitty wash his little dirty feet. Means in case the kitty goes out of the house, all the mud will be over to his feet and it will have to wash his feet. And the lazy kitty will have to do this task of washing the feet. Therefore, the lazy kitty has to come out. The roses will wear diamonds. Now, diamonds here, like the kings and the queens at court. How we see the kings and the queens wearing diamonds in their same way, the roses are having diamonds. Now, your diamonds are just the water drops which have come through the rain. But the poet says that it looks like the diamonds like the kings and queens wear at the court. And court is what? Court is nothing but the king and queen sit there and have their meetings with the people in the kingdom. This is called as court. The kings and queen in the court. But the another thing which is mentioned in the poem is about the pansies. We will see the pansies, but the pansies all get muddy because they are so short. Now pansies are small plants which have flowers. These flowers are called as pansies, and they all get muddy because they are at a lower height. All the mud goes up onto it and it doesn't look good then. So the poet is worried about these pansies, and she says that the next day what she is going to do is she is going to take a nice paper and make boats. I'll sail my boat tomorrow in wonderful new places. You people also have made paper boats in rainy season. You must be enjoying it. Same way the poet is also going to make paper boats and she's going to sail it maybe in the backyard, outside the house, just like you all enjoy in the rain. So, before that, she has an important task to be done. And what is that? That she is going to take her watering pot. Now, watering pot is a vessel from which water is being poured to plants. We can see it in the next image which is coming forward. Yes, I will take my watering pot and then with that pot she is going to water the plants. Which plants? So those are the plants which we spoke about, that is the pansies. She's going to wash the pansies faces because they are all with mud and they will be beautiful once again. This is told about the rain in the night in our poem. Thank you.